This chart right here is the reason we could see a massive altcoin season that is about to happen. So stay with me as I try to explain to you and show you why we are about to see a massive altcoin season that could see prices of every single altcoin reaping to the upside. So welcome, it's the Altcoin Doctor here, bringing you all the latest crypto analysis. So right here on the chart, we have the total three, what we call the crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and ETH. So this is the market cap for all the altcoins right here, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? This is all their market cap. And basically in the past, every single time we have seen a massive breakout to the upside, as you can see right here in 2020/2021. This was when we had that massive bull run in 2021/2020 that saw a massive alt season. This was the massive one we saw in 2017, massive altcoin season. So every single time we see this sort of massive breakout, we usually see a massive altcoin season. We are about to see the same thing happening currently right now. And as you can see, the current altcoin index or market cap is just about 612 billion. And we are forming this sort of basically bull flag, right? The way bull flags work is that we see a push to the upside, see a massive consolidation, and then a massive breakout. The target for the altcoin market is a $1 trillion, as you can see right here, or basically, if we do not see that push to the upside, we could stop about at 980 billion. But right here, we could see the price of the altcoin market cap are pushed to about $1 trillion, right? That could be the beginning of a massive bull run. So without further ado, let's go to the chart and see what we are expecting right here for. Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we are going to be looking at the yearn.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $5,226 level. We are currently ranked at 256, market cap of about $174 million. And today in the last 1 week, YFI is up a massive 5.5% right here. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. So the first thing, like we said in the introduction right here, is that we continue to see that the altcoin market cap is about to break out. And if that happens, we could see a massive alt season, which could take the altcoin market cap to around those $1 trillion valuation, right? And if that happens, we should expect a massive breakout right here for YFI, even to new yearly highs to around that $14,000 to $16,000 level. And I'll tell you why, right? One of the reasons we are also bullish is that we are at those bottoms. The last time we saw this sort of bottom was, as you can see right here, our TSI indicator, which shows very oversold and very overbought levels. The last time we were this oversold was last year, October, and we saw this massive breakout right here for YFI from 5,000 to 16,000, right? And we were flashing that oversold. We saw that dump right here, flash another sold level. We saw another massive pump, and right here we have been oversold ever since. So this is the best time to accumulate YFI, as we have been massively oversold right here since June, even to October, and we are about to see another massive breakout to the upside right here for YFI. So YFI is a very good coin to be accumulating now, as we could see that massive breakout. So that's the update. Thank you for watching. Also, last but not the least, we are doing the 1K to 100K altcoin doctors challenge. We want to turn it 1K to 100K right here. Links are in the description if you want to come join us in the group. You're going to be watching my trades in real time as I grow 1K to 100K. I will explain every trade and strategies for you so that you can learn better. You're going to get my insider tips, the market analysis, and exact strategies I use. So come join us. Thank you for watching and have a lovely week ahead.